Yakiniku sauce, also known as Japanese barbecue sauce, has a fascinating origin story, rooted deep in the country's rich history and cultural influences. The term yakiniku, which translates to grilled meat, was first coined in the early 20th century. However, the concept of grilling meat, dipped in a flavorful sauce, dates back to the Heian period, influenced by the Chinese cooking method known as Chao. The creation of yakiniku sauce begins with soy sauce, the backbone of many Japanese dishes, providing that essential umami flavor. Mirin and sake come next, adding a sweet, slightly alcoholic note that contrasts and complements the saltiness of the soy sauce. Sugar then sweetens the deal, while garlic infuses a sharp, aromatic edge. Fruit juice, often from apples or pears, introduces a subtle tartness, balancing the overall flavor profile. Lastly, a drizzle of sesame oil adds a nutty undertone, wrapping up the symphony of flavors. The secret to this sauce lies in its recipe, a perfectly balanced blend of simple yet robust ingredients. Picture a delightful medley of soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, garlic, fruit juice, and sesame oil, simmering together, gradually transforming into a thick, glossy sauce that promises to elevate your grilled meats to an extraordinary level. And there you have it, the yakiniku sauce, a testament to Japan's love for grilling and their knack for creating sauces that are both complex and well-rounded. Remember, it all started in the Heian period, inspired by a Chinese cooking method, and has since evolved into a beloved staple in Japanese cuisine. The recipe, while simple, is a delicate balance of flavors, each ingredient contributing to the final, mouth-watering result. So the next time you're grilling, remember the yakiniku sauce. It's more than just a barbecue sauce. It's a taste of history, a culinary tradition that survived centuries, and a testament to Japan's enduring love for flavors that dance and delight on the palate. If you've enjoyed peeling back the layers of culinary tradition and discovering the secret behind the yakiniku sauce, then we've got a whole world of flavor profiles and food histories waiting for you. Subscribe to our channel and embark on this gastronomic journey with us. Your support allows us to continue unveiling the stories behind the food we love, and in return, we promise to keep serving up delicious content for you to devour. So what are you waiting for? Your culinary journey is just a click away. Subscribe now, and thank you for watching.